Hello YouTube, this is Daniel here from Tech Tutorials 101 with another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to run a Linux subsystem on a Windows 10 machine. This essentially allows you to have a Linux virtual machine inside your Windows 10. You can run them both side by side, and this eliminates the need for a hypervisor such as VirtualBox or VMware. So to get started on this, you want to open up PowerShell and you want to enable the feature first. So we're going to issue this command. So enable Windows optional feature / online / feature name. And our name is Microsoft - Windows - Subsystem - Linux. Enter. So it's just saying that this requires elevation. So I'm going to run PowerShell as administrator and issue that command again. That's going to go off and enable that feature. As it just states here, we'll need a restart. So I'm going to go ahead and restart the machine, get this feature enabled, and I'll be back in the video in a sec. Right, so once your machine's rebooted, you can come back and open up PowerShell and you can run this command here. So get Windows optional feature - online - feature name, and then Microsoft Windows Subsystem Linux, and that will show you that the state is now enabled. As we can see here, it provides services and environments for running native user mode Linux shells and tools on Windows. So we can now go to the Windows Store and download our Linux distribution. I'm going to download Ubuntu, but there are many other Linux distributions on the Windows Store, such as Kali Linux and SUSE Linux, which you can also use as a subsystem. So if I just go in here and search Ubuntu, so I'm going to download this distribution here. Right, so as you can see, it's going to take a bit of time to download, so I'll bring the video back once this download is completed. Right, so we can now see the Linux distribution has been downloaded. I'm going to go ahead and click launch. So you just see here, it's just going through the installation steps and actually initializing the Linux distribution for us so it's ready to use. So now it's just going to ask us for a Unix username. So I'm going to use test1. Then provide a password. And we can see we now have our Linux distribution fully set up and ready to go. I'm just going to go ahead and install the latest updates. Okay, what I was doing, I'm just going to scroll quickly back up to show you some more information. So we can see here memory usage for the instance, and also IP addresses as well, and just further documentation on the distribution, just saying the installation was successful. As we can see here, it's now going through and downloading all the latest packages from the Linux servers, and just giving us information that it requires more disk space to proceed with the installation. Right, so now those updates are completed, we now have a fully fledged Linux subsystem running within Windows, and that is the end of the tutorial. If you do have any further suggestions on videos I can make with system administration, Linux, Windows 10, Windows Server, or any other topics, please do let us know. Please like the video and please subscribe.